Welcome back. Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, my gambling apes. Congratulations. Let's celebrate. We broke the floor price. We're at 1 Ethereum. Let's go. And we did it before midnight. In some time frames, you know, I literally dropped in this video. It was 11:59 right when I seen it. So this is going crazy right now. This is going crazy. So congratulations. This is basically going to be a hype video for all my gambling apes. Please share this video and just this shows us our commitment, our dedication, our diligence, that we're not stopping. These apes, the floor price, we made it. We're at 1 Ethereum. Let's see what that is. 1 Ethereum is $4,200. Let's go. Congratulations to all those apes that have been holding. This is just a quick video, just saying what's up to everybody. Make sure you guys share these videos. It really does help bring some more awareness to our project, which is our casino. Oh, this one's cool right here. Check out the shirt on this one. You guys want to check out the properties, come down to the properties and see what's going on. So we got the Hawaiian shirt. Like I said, this one was cool. Only 1% has that trait. So this is a pretty rare ape, and they have a minimum bid of $6,300. We have some offers. Obviously, they're not going to go for that. In 2 hours, they're going to be gone. These offers don't exist no more. It's not happening. We're not going under 1 Ethereum. We know what's going on. December 17th, the casino gets launched. Gambling Apes. If you guys see me scroll over one of your apes, they're getting purchased. So you guys should see some of them. Let me know if I scrolled past one of your apes. Leave a lot of comments. Please leave a lot of likes. Make sure you're subscribed. Share this video as much as you guys can. This is for us. This is our casino that we're sharing. This is our progress that we have made, that we stayed down and we did this. Look at this. These are all being traded hours ago, and we literally picked up the pace since I dropped the video about an hour ago, and we start to see apes start going to sell 1.11 Ethereum 99. So we start to see the pace pick up after so please shield this video, share this video, put it out there. It does work, okay, guys? We need to bring some more awareness, especially we have something that we can be proud of. And we know that we ought to be proud of this. This is something that we've done as a community. And, of course, we have an amazing team. Shout out to Noah and everybody that's rocking with him that made this happen and the progress that we've made along the way. This was just a congratulation video. If there's anything you guys want me to cover, anything extra, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's up, and I'll get it out there for you guys. This is for us. So share this video. Congratulations. Let's see. I'm going to keep my finger on the pulse of the gambling apes for the night. Let's see if we keep rocking up. Let's see where else we head. You know, 1.1 Ethereum for the floor price, 1.2, who knows? Right now, with everybody kicking in and knowing that December 17th, the casino will be launched, that is going to be epic. So the FOMO will start to kick in, and definitely people will start to realize that we had something going on all along. Also, do not miss out on the NFT course that I'll be selling. It's going to be pretty epic. These are techniques that I came up with myself. You're not going to find them on YouTube. If you get the money bag alerts, you get the course half off. If you don't want the money bag alerts, the course will be full price. Let me know what's up. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.